33-year-old state assemblyman Zohran Mamdani clinched a historic victory in the primary election of New York City's mayor. But still, he's not the mayor yet. Why? And who is this New York suitable boy? Let's tell you.
भाइयों और बहनों, चॉइस मेरे और एंड्रू कोमो के बीच में है.
Zohran Kwame Mamdani is no stranger to political activism or public service. Born in Kampala, Uganda, and raised in New York City, Mamdani is the son of acclaimed filmmaker Meera Nair and academic Mahmood Mamdani. In 2018, he was naturalized as a US citizen, and he married Syrian artist Rama Douaji earlier this year. He holds a bachelor's degree in Africana Studies from Bowdoin College in the state of Maine. Before joining politics, he worked as a counselor who helped low-income homeowners fight off evictions, according to his profile on the New York Assembly website. Mamdani also dabbled in rap and writing before successfully running for assembly elections in 2020. His messaging has been focused on affordability for the working class, with policies such as capping rent and the cost of groceries in one of the world's most expensive cities. These policies, he said, will be funded by taxing the wealthiest 1% of New Yorkers, those earning above $1 million annually at a rate of flat 2%. Mamdani's visibility has been credited to his network of on-ground volunteers as well as the unique and approachable style of the well-edited short videos he has posted on social media platforms. One of them, Simplifying the Election's ranked choice voting system, features references from Bollywood movies like Diwar.
सोचिए, ये 5 लस्सियां कैंडिडेट्स हैं.
And Mango Lassis, and has Mamdani speaking in Hindi and Urdu.
विश्वास नहीं होता तो खुद उनसे सुनिए कि क्या होगा अगर कोमो जीता तो.
Mamdani has been an outspoken critic of the federal government agency Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE), which has led raids to deport illegal immigrants, resulting in countrywide protests in recent weeks. But why is he not a mayor yet? Because the mayoral election process hasn't been completed. Although Mamdani led with first-choice votes compared to Andrew Cuomo's, the ranked choice process redistributes votes from lower-ranking candidates until a candidate achieves a majority, which could theoretically alter the outcome, though Mamdani's lead is considered strong enough to make this unlikely. The next step for Mamdani is to compete in the general election on November 4, 2025, where he will face incumbent Mayor Eric Adams, Republican nominee Curtis Sliwa, and potentially Andrew Cuomo, who has qualified to run as an independent on his Fight and Deliver ballot line but has not confirmed whether he will actively campaign. Unlike the primary, the general election uses a first-past-the-post system, meaning the candidate with the most votes wins outright. Mamdani is considered the favorite due to New York City's strong democratic leanings, but Adams' incumbency, his business ties, and potential independent runs could make the race competitive. If Mamdani wins the general election, he would assume office as mayor in January 2026, becoming the city's first Muslim and Indian American mayor.